This is Altcoin Disrupt, and today we'll be having a look at Mina protocol. Today we're going to be doing a price prediction. During my last video for Mina, I made a prediction that Mina protocol would most likely hit $25 by the end of this year. Now I still believe that Mina protocol will hit $25 at the end of this year. But this video is more of an update on the current price and what exactly has been happening in the last week or two. If we have a look at Mina during the last week, you can clearly see that there's a downward trend in price. I mean, it's going from $3 to somewhere shy under $2, right? And now it's actually steadily around $2. But for a cryptocurrency with over 159 million in circulating supply, you would think that the price would probably be a bit higher, especially that the hype is so insane for Mina protocol right now. But the thing is, I don't think this low price is Mina's fault. I think the entire cryptocurrency market has been in a downward trend. If you have a look at cryptocurrency overall, you see that in the last 7 days, most cryptocurrencies have been in a red zone. It's all been going from the high to the low. You know, I think when it comes to the Dogecoin hype and the Bitcoin hype, I think the hype is sort of like dying down a little bit. But ultimately, this is a good thing because I think people are just going to buy a lot more of cryptocurrency while the price is so low. And I can seriously see a lot of people buying a lot more of this cryptocurrency simply because they know it's going to hit 58 cents again and it's probably going to go higher. But right now, the price being at 27 cents, that's incredibly low for cryptocurrencies such as Dogecoin. So as you can see, like I was saying, majority of the cryptocurrency, they're going down. They're on a downward trend. Even cryptocurrency that are doing positive in terms of price, they're still in a slightly downward trend. Even if you take a look at Theta, during the last week of Theta, it too is in a downward trend because at the start of the week it was $9.03, right? But if you look at the end of the week, you can clearly see that's $8 and $8 less than $9 basically. $8.50, 57 cents, around there. But during the week it was actually over $10, but still it's in a downward trend. And so it's not entirely Mina protocol's fault. I do believe Mina will still hit $25 by the end of this year, but of course it seems a little bit far-fetched now. I mean, for Mina protocol to hit $25, they'd either have to be added to some huge exchanges, which I still think is possible because right now Mina is only available on 3 major exchanges. So with these predictions in place, I still think Mina could hit $25. Now, of course, like I said, we'll have to go on a huge bull run again, but I think this is a good opportunity for a lot of people to buy cryptocurrencies, including Mina, at such a low price. Because let's be honest, if you take a look at the next 10 to 15 years in all cryptocurrency, Mina protocol is indeed undervalued, just like Bitcoin. So I guess the new question that I have is like, how low can Mina go? Because the lowest it's ever been is $1.80. But could it possibly go lower? I mean, like $1.50. Could it actually go below $1? I think this again is possible because a lot of people just sell for their own reasons. You can never really predict if people will keep their money or if they'll just sell. But what I can predict is that the lower the price goes, is the more people are going to be incentivized to buy into the market once again. And once that upward trend starts, once there's a popular demand for cryptocurrencies again later this year, that's when we're going to see the prices of a lot of cryptocurrency skyrocket. So you might be wondering, $25 is insane for a cryptocurrency that's around $2 right now. Do I want to change my predictions from $25? Because $2 is a long way to go, right? So in my opinion, I don't really want to change my predictions. My prediction was Mina will eventually hit around $5, $10, $15, and eventually it will hit $25. That's still my predictions. I still think it will hit $5, $10, $15, and eventually $25. So my predictions were never just solely about Mina protocol hitting $25. It was also a prediction that Mina protocol will also hit $5, $10, and $15. Because if Mina hits $5 from this price, which is more than possible, any investment will instantly double. More than double, actually, almost triple. So consider that for a moment, that if it also hits $10, you're looking at over 5x right there in terms of investments. So that's still a major win. So that's why I'm not going to be changing my predictions anytime soon. But as for now, do I think Mina will keep on going down or will it instantly shut up next week? Well, as for now, I think Mina will continue going down, probably to around $1.50, maybe less than $1.50. But eventually, once the market picks back up, once people are ready to invest their money, yeah, we're gonna see a lot of cryptocurrency going up. So in terms of news for Mina, like I said in my previous video, on the 25th of June, there is a Mina community meeting, and this is an event meeting. Actually, it's kind of like a Q&A. So I do recommend anyone who's interested in Mina probably keeping up with this, participating. Obviously, it's the 20th right now, so the 25th is just around the corner. So you might want to get on that if you're interested in that. And like I said in my last video as well, in terms of Mina mainnet, they have hit some huge numbers, 20K on-chain accounts this week. So that was huge for Mina, and that's at 1,000 nodes, by the way. And this is with their blockchain not changing sizes. Their blockchain is still minimal. So in other news, I wanted to hit on rewards for staking in Mina protocol. So in the first period after mainnet launch, the inflation on Mina is 12%. And you can earn up to 24% supercharged bonuses rewards enabled by Mina protocol. All accounts that hold unlocked tokens only are eligible for these rewards by staking. Irrespectively, if the tokens are in your wallet or on a CoinList, a community member built a unofficial delegated rewards calculator. So supercharged rewards are also explained in a few minutes video, and there's a link to that as well, and in the blog on the token economies. So these are huge margin, up to 24% for supercharged bonus rewards in Mina staking. This is huge, not to mention inflation. So up to 24% block rewards. Now, some people have already known about this, but I don't think that this is extremely well known in the community. So I want to reiterate. I want to remind people that there is indeed up to 24% bonus block rewards. Canonical Chain, a block producer who is staking, will receive a number of Mina tokens. This is a block reward. Now, during the first year of mainnet, accounts that can contain locked tokens will receive block rewards to target annual inflation of 12%. So the inflation rate will decrease over time, eventually reaching 7%. So another use cases for Mina, I wanted to reiterate on some more use cases for Mina. I want to remind people of these use cases, just how useful Mina will be right now and in the near future. Users of Mina will be able to access critical on-chain service without sharing personal details. You don't need to trust a third party to share your data. And for now, Mina snaps can connect to a credit score provider to prove that your credit score is above a certain threshold and test this. You can actually test this out, which is incredible if you think about it, because once again, we're seeing that the blockchain can be used in privacy, in end-to-end privacy, in end-to-end data privacy, protecting your privacy, but at the same time, giving the requester the exact information they need without disclosing unnecessary information about one's personal data. Permissionless web oracle. So with the help of Snaps, developers can build any decentralized application by leveraging private, verified real-world data from any websites within the asking permission of that website. They can access, use, and protect sensitive data by only sharing and relevant proofs. So no need to trust an Oracle or custom website integration. And you can obviously click here to get some more information. Now this blog post, I recommend you checking out this blog post. It's on Medium. It's extremely useful to understand Mina in a greater detail, a facet. Mina is developing a one private internet login for users where any users can be able to access any centralized website using the single login ID and password, where the users don't need to create a multiple login IDS and password for each website. You can click here to find out more. Once again, more information about one private internet login. So next thing I wanted to touch on Mina is obviously giving more information about ZK snarks, mostly widely known, used by Zcash. I've spoken about Zcash before, and Zcash, I believe, is sort of like a fork of Bitcoin, which makes it very interesting to say the least. But it's also using ZK snarks, and ZK snarks is one of the primary ways why Mina protocol is so succinct. Zcash is using similar technology, and not similar technology. They're using the exact same technology, ZK snarks. Another interesting thing I wanted to touch on when it comes to Mina is that Mina boasts a long list of notable backers. These are like investors, including 3 Arrows Capital, for whom the lightweight protocol is one of the only full base layer blockchain investment lists on its website, a group that also includes Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Polkadot. This is amazing. Recognize what they've said right there. It's very important to understand. 3 Arrow Capital, for whom the lightweight protocol is one of the only full base layer blockchain investment listed on its website. It's an investment for 3 Arrow Capital. So as you can see, Mina protocol clearly has a lot of backers. It has a lot of powerful backers, a lot of rich backers. And this is good for Mina protocol overall, because when it comes to base layer, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Mina protocol, and Polkadot. So obviously, as we know, Polkadot, Ethereum, Bitcoin, they're hugely successful. Now they're back in Mina protocol. So clearly they see potential in Mina. How could you not? The most minimal blockchain in the world. It's incredible. How could you not? So overall, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video, my price prediction, some updates. I wanted to bring everyone just to keep you in the loop of what's going on with Mina, how promising Mina is, and that my price predictions actually stay the same. Not just that it will obviously, I do believe it will hit $25, but before it hits $25, it will hit $5, $10, $15, and that's still incredible to say the least. So there's clearly potential. I'm making multiple predictions, not just one. But thank you for watching. Subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, and let me know. What do you think? Do you agree with me that Mina price, for now, for the next few weeks, maybe for a month or so, will continue to decrease, including other cryptocurrencies, will continue to decrease? Or do you believe Mina protocol will actually shoot up in the next week or so? Do you believe it will actually skyrocket in the next week or so? Maybe a week or two. Let me know about your predictions, because these are my predictions, but I want to hear about yours. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, and I will see you guys in